how to add a Metro card to Apple Wallet. You want to go into the App Store first and search for Pass2U, just like that. You need this application in order to do this. So Pass2U Wallet, add store card. Just click on install and open it. Once you have the app, we will click on the plus sign in the bottom right and then apply a pass template. From here, we will use the search bar to search for Metro. And you can see all the different options here for Metro cards. Choose the one that you want. For example, this one that has been applied 160 times. And fill out your information here by clicking on the pencil icon. So here for your PIVA, and then your name, you can type it here as well as your card number. And then also you can add a QR code if you have one. After you have filled out the information, click on done in the top right and then add. And if we go into our Apple Wallet now, as you can see, we have the Metro card there. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.